Yeah, I'm pressing this button by accident. What the hell is that? Okay, no Yale plates, but there are these guys.
What are those guys? Those are kind of pretty.
Yeah. You're welcome to them.
Well, I would take them and use them.
Yeah.
I don't like the music note ones. Those.
Oh, look.
What is it? Like
A covered
plate?
dish or for something warm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's cute.
Yeah.
I like some blue and white, but I can't say I'm crazy about it.
Yeah.
I like the 2 teacups, okay.
Yeah. They go with that teapot, but I dig the teapot, not so crazy about the 2 teacups, and I like this.
Right, we'll take
I'd keep the teapot and that. These are just plain white. Trying to sort of stand up some of it's a little bit more visible.
What's the pile on the upper left?